This is the Black Widow Exotixxx assembly, disassembly, and pole repair video for the Sling stand. When you open your box, you should have the parts as follows. You should have 2 crosses. You should have 4 top holes, which are smooth here. You should have 4 short poles with 2 silver ends. 4 long poles with 1 silver end. Bag containing 4 feet and 4 bottom poles with an ankle bracket here and a grommet to screw your feet into. Start your assembly. Grab your first cross. It doesn't matter which way you put it down because it's the same either direction. You get your bottom feet or your bottom poles and just slide them in all the way. Next step, your 2 long poles. They just slide in here. Sometimes they're a little tight because the powder coating don't come off all the way, so you might have to twist them a little bit to get them in there. And if you're doing it by yourself, go to your short poles with the 2 silver ends, put 1 on opposite sides. Grab one of your top poles, slide it down on there. Then you take your other cross and make sure it's going in the same direction because they're different. Make sure it's going in the same direction, they'll never go together right. Slide that on there, and do the other side. Same exact thing the other way. Now you're fully assembled except for the feet. We're not going to put them on because we're out here in the grass. Let me show you a little bit of a weight test. Hey, Maddie. I'm 250 pounds. He's 250 pounds. And Maddie's 240. So it's basically 700 pounds. Now I'm going to show you how to fix a bent pole. Some of them get dropped, the ends are awkward. The boxes are heavy and awkward, and sometimes the postmen drop them and it bends the ends of the the top and bottom poles. So I'm gonna bend them out pretty good, and I'm gonna show you how to fix them. I'm gonna bend this out real good. Alright, get a picture of how far out that is. It's definitely way out of its 90. Now, all you got to do is whichever way it's out, show me, honey. Pull it back a little bit, just bend it back a little bit. And then pop it right back in. Now I'm going to show you with another one how to fix the bottom poles. Alright, this one, I bent the other one out, I'm going to bend this one in. See how far off that is? Show it at the angle. Just leave that bottom pole, the long pole, connected, and just gently bend it out. Fully assembled. Now disassembly, easy. Try to take it apart if you're by yourself. Same way you put it together, taking 2 sides off, so you know don't have a chance of falling down. That was the assembly, disassembly, and pole repair. Hope it was helpful. Thank you.